Hello, I'm Sandeep. I'm discussing digital electronics question paper, providing solutions to the 2022 April-May examination for this subject. In different branches it came. We have reached here and I'm providing solution to question number 8, which asks you to define race around condition. It is 2 marks and 25 word answer is required. So race around condition happens in JK flip-flop, where the clock pulse, when the clock pulse is high, the output continuously toggles. The output continuously toggles. Now let us explain how that happened. Explain in the answer. So sample answer will be written on these lines. So we will draw a JK flip-flop circuit. So it is driven by a common clock. And when does this race around condition happen? When this is 1, when J input is also 1, when K input is also 1. So this state is defined in JK flip-flop. The second stage is for this flip-flop is the latch. Let us make the latch like this, and you should know that the output is fed back. So I can draw a line like this and attach here, or what I can do is I can just write this is the Q input, this is connected here, and this wire is connected here. Now let us find the outputs. Suppose we start with this condition. Let us say it is 0 and 1 at the moment. The output is this. So at this moment this 0 is fed back here, and it is making it this line 0, and this 1 is being fed back here. Then what is at this line? Since this is 1, this is 1, and Q is 1, I mean Q bar is 1, so this is 1, this is 1, the clock pulse is 1, all ones in a NAND gate. What do they do at the output? So let us draw the NAND gates table. AND gate will be all zeros and 1, and complement that is not of that AND will be this. So when we have all inputs high, then output will be 0. So all inputs are high, the output will be 0. So on this line we'll have a 0. So 0 and 1 here. When and 0 is fed back here, so this one will be 0. And when there is a 0 in either of the lines or both of the lines, some of the lines, then the output is a 1. So we have a 1 here. Now using again NAND gates function, 0 and 1 will give you a 1. So this will be a 1, and here 0 and 1 should be 1, which is true. 0 and 1 is 1, which is true, but this is driven to 1, so this will change to a 1, and a 1 and a 1 will give you a 0. Now let us analyze. This 0 will be here, reaching here, making this state at 0. A 0 and a 0 will be 1, so this will hold to 1. A 0 and 0 will be 1, this will hold to 1, and 1 is fed back here, which is this one, and a 1 and a 1 will give you a 0. This is held to like 1 0. But this holding that we saw in RS flip-flop does not happen in JK flip-flop when JK are 1 and clock pulse is 1. Till this duration of clock pulse, what will happen is we had 0 and 1 fed back here, but the 0 and 1 have settled here. Now 1 will be the change state of Q1 and 0 will be the change state of Q bar. So this will be 0. Now the reverse situation has happened, and due to this these lines will have, these will have, they will not have 1 here, it will have 0, and this will not be 0, this will be 1. So the contradicting the opposite condition has come, and which will force this to be in stable state, 0 and 1. Q will be 0, Q bar will be 1. But again it has reached this state, and this will be fed back here, this will be fed back here, and this will be fed back here. So this circuit will be continuously toggling till the duration of this clock pulse. The output Q will continuously toggle until the level is high. This is called racing around condition or race around condition. So in text also, in many books it is explained, and this is a sample answer that you can write for a 2 marks question that is asked in your university exam. Thank you.